welcome back to another video. Today is a very exciting one as we are headed down to London Gatwick today for a very exciting trip. It's currently 2:22 and we are headed down to Gatwick at 3 o'clock. We're staying at the Premier Inn, and tomorrow morning Oscar is going to tell you where we're flying.
This is going to be a great holiday for us, and it is going to be Disney World.
We are headed to Disney World, 14 nights, 14 nights, 15 days.
My second time.
Oscar's second time, my third time. We are staying at the Disney Saratoga Springs Resort in a one-bedroom villa. Oscar's coming, obviously, my dad's coming, my mum's coming, and who else is coming? Who else is coming?
My grandma.
Our grandma is also coming. She is a huge Disney fan, and she is coming with us to Florida. So tomorrow morning we're flying with British Airways from London Gatwick to Orlando International Airport, where we will land at 3:10 Orlando time and head to Saratoga Springs in the evening. We are super excited. This is our first time going to Orlando and Walt Disney World since 2018, so it's a huge trip for us, and Oscar, I think, is probably one of the most excited out of all of us, as he can't remember Disney World when he last went, can you?
No, and my favourite day is going to be the second day. That is the day we go to Star Wars Land, and I make make my own drawings.
You might not do that on day one though. So what we're doing is we land on Thursday, and then we're doing all of the theme parks and Blizzard Beach and Typhoon Lagoon, and we're going to the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, which we've never been to before and we're super excited about. So yeah, join us as we're super excited for our pre-travel day to head down to London Gatwick for what is going to be an absolute of a lifetime trip. Walt Disney World, Orlando, Florida. Here we go. I am just walking down the road right now because Grandma lives about a 3-minute walk away from us. She is coming with us. This will be her third or fourth time. I think it's going to be potentially fifth time going to Orlando Disney. Obviously, she's super excited to be coming with us. She is staying in Saratoga Springs with us and has the 14-day magic ticket as well, so she can enjoy all the memories with us like she did in 2018. I'm going down now to go and collect her suitcases so we can bring them up. But we are all so excited to head off. The weather here in Northampton is beautiful. It's 28 degrees right now, almost prepping us for the Floridian heat that is yet to come, and the park times at the moment are so quiet in Florida. I want to say the park has a 20% reduction to a few years ago, and the highest wait time yesterday at 5 p.m. their time was 65 minutes, which is barely anything. So I'll probably see you when we are in the bus, but we are so excited, and it's going to be such an amazing trip, as I will continue to express my thoughts and feelings towards this trip throughout today's vlog and all of the other vlogs. So the taxi driver has just arrived, and we're super excited to get going. It should take around 2.5 hours to get there, and we're super excited to get going and head off to Gatwick. So we're now on our way to London Gatwick, and we have picked up Grandma.
Hello, vloggers!
Are you excited, Grandma?
Very.
What are you most excited for?
Everything.
And then here's Mummy, and then Daddy is looking at the giraffe menu on his phone just there. Oscar's watching a film, and we are heading around to Gatwick.
Touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche when I am trying You don't know how I shiver.
So we have officially arrived at London's Gatwick. We have arrived at the Premier Inn here at London's Gatwick. It's just there. And then the terminal is just around there, which is very easy for use. The terminal's just around there. We are staying at the North Terminal, however we're flying from the South Terminal, but that's okay because we can just catch the train over to the South Terminal, which only takes a few minutes in the morning. So really good here at the Premier Inn. We've stayed here, this will be our third time staying here in the past. Well, we've stayed 2 times in the past and this will be our third time today. Super excited. I'm hoping we're not on the top floor because I'm not a fan of lifts. Got a fear of them breaking down halfway through going up them. Anyway, hoping we're not on the top floor so we don't have to go all the way up. But it's now time to check in. So now we go all the way to the back and we're on room 427. So somebody in our party will press the number 4, there we go. And we've got to try and fit everybody in without getting stuck. There we go.
No one's getting stuck.
And then we're in, here we go.
Right, Oscar. Good boy.
And the doors are shut. It's okay. Oscar's just there. Grandma's over here, she's got her room key. She's got 4 of them because we messed up the booking. Right. And yeah, so here's our room, 427. The Premier Inn, it's a family room. So this is the bathroom. I'm assuming this switch is on here. Got a toilet, toilet roll dispenser. We've got me. Hi everybody. We've got soap, a sink. We've got a nice shower. Towels, always good to have those included. Vanity mirror with switch just here. Hairdryer, mirror. We've got a TV there, flat screen. I don't know if it's got a brand to it. A nice lamp. We've got I think it's a double bed. Don't quote me on that. We have an air conditioning unit just here. I have a small bed here and a small bed here. Because it's a family room, very similar to the one we had when we went to Punta Cana. And we've got a very standard view across here. Very excited for our stay here at the Premier Inn.
Yeah, let's go to Giraffe.
As I said, it's not the first time we've been here, but we're now going to head off to Giraffe for a great meal in the South Terminal. Heading over to Giraffe, we're all checked in to the Premier Inn and we really like it. We stayed here a few times before, as I've already said. But my favourite all-time hotel at an airport is the Renaissance at London Heathrow. I like that the most because of the runway views that you get with the rooms and just the luxury of that compared to Premier Inn. But anyways, we're now headed to the Giraffe, so I'll show you how we get over there using the train because we're currently in the North Terminal, but very excited.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California. I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And all the while I was trying to pretend the promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon.
So here is what the menu looks like. Ignore the heavy down lighting.
Yeah, oh that's nice that he's got the...
And then
to the children's
I'm having
menu.
burger there. And if we pan across, this is the kids menu. Pause if necessary. So what are you gonna have?
So I'm having the sausage with French fries.
Yeah, Mummy?
I think I'm going to have the katsu chicken curry or the tacos or the loaded nachos with chicken.
Any more ors?
No, they're my 3 options.
Daddy, what are you going to have?
I don't know.
Why don't you know?
I don't know.
I think I'm having Korean barbecue chicken.
Does Daddy know yet?
No.
No, he can't decide. He needs a bit of pressure ordering.
Pressure. So here's my burger. Oscar's got sausage and chips. Mummy's got tacos. Grandma's got
Chicken.
Korean chicken, and Daddy's also got a burger. We're going to tuck in now. So we've all finished our meals, and what did everybody think, Daddy?
Very good.
10 out of 10 for the tacos.
Delicious.
What did you have?
Korean chicken.
It was a little bit spicy.
But it was a bit spicy.
Oscar, what would you think of your? Good. And then I really enjoyed mine. I had burger, and I really enjoyed that.
Oscar wants to give you his rating.
10 out of 10 for Oscar. Oh, Oscar, get your foot down.
20
Yeah.
out of 10.
10 out of 10. 20 out of 10. So we've just left Giraffe, and now we're going on a bit of an explore around the terminal because why not? It's 7 o'clock. Oh well. Yes, we're going to have a bit of an explore around the airport. Here's the airport. This is what I believe is arrivals. We're going to go and try and we're going to try and figure out where the departure is for tomorrow morning. Oscar wants to go into WH Smith to look for books. Yeah, it's a really nice day, and I'm just going to keep repeating myself at this point. We are super excited for tomorrow. This is almost bringing back a touch of nostalgia because the last time we were here was when we went to Florida in 2018. So yeah, we're trying to figure out where everything is to get the memories rejogged. So we found where we were going and found where bag drop-off is for tomorrow morning. I'm going to end this vlog here, so thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, which should be around in a week's time, for proper travel day. Please like, subscribe. When you subscribe, turn that notification bell on, so when we upload a new video, you can be one of the first to watch it and be notified. Bye everybody.